Namaste student. Today we are going to see the problem based on comparison of fraction. As already we have learned how to compare the two fraction. And now we will going to see that comparing more than three fractions, or here we can see that ascending or descending. In this case we will get more than two fraction. Okay. So here we have question. I'll do few problems. Other problem you have to solve by your own. You can copy this problem, okay, in your note copy. So here the first problem, let's see. Convert 3 by 7, 7 by 14, 2 by 21 into like fraction. So how are we going to proceed? Our first target, we have 7, 14, 21. Find the LCM. 1, 2, 3. So here LCM is what we are getting. Can you find the LCM? Yes, that is 42. Okay, so how? Multiply 7 into 2 into 3, we'll get 42. Now convert 3 by 7 in an equivalent fraction where your denominator will be 42. Now by what value you are going to multiply 7, you will get 42 at denominator. Can you guess? Yes, 6. And then we have to take here also. So 18 by 42. First one. Next is 7 by 40. 7 by 40. So what we are going to multiply here? Can you guess? Yes, 3. So 21 by 42. Next one is 2 by 21. So 2 by 21. What number? 2. 2 to the 4 by 42. Now you can see that 18 by 42. Therefore you can say 18 by 42, 21 by 42 and 4 by 42 are like fraction. This way we have to solve it. Okay, next problem we're going to see. Compare the fraction. So here they have asked you compare only. They are not asking use the method of cross multiplication or method of converting into like fraction. Any method you are allowed to use here. So let's see, we're going to use both the method so that you can recapitulate how to solve this type of problem. So here we have 4 by 5, another is 5 by 7. So take the LCM of 5 and 7, you are getting 35. So convert this 4 by 5 in a equivalent fraction where the denominator will be 35. Okay. So here we have 4 by 5 into 7 by 7, 28 by 35. Next 5 by 7. Convert 5 by 7 where the denominator will be 35. So you need to take 5. You are getting 25. Now since you can see that 28 by 35 is greater than 25 by 35. That means 28 by 35 is equals to what? 4 by 5. That means 4 by 5 is greater than what? 5 by 7. This is one method of converting into like fraction. Now we're going to use multiplication method. Okay, same problem here we have 4 by 5 comma 5 by 7. Just write here by cross multiplication method. You need to multiply with this and here. That means 4 into 7 you are getting 28. Another is 5 into 5 we are going to multiply 25. Since 28 is greater than 25, that means here this is your A into D and this is your B into C. As we know that AD greater than BC, we can say that A by B is greater than C by D. So here you can see that 28 is greater than 25. That means AD is greater than BC. Therefore you can say that 4 by 5 is greater than 5 by 7. Or if this type of problem, take 4 by 5 and there will be box 5 by 7. So how are you going to solve this type of problem? Shortcut method. Just you multiply this part first and take 5, this is 28, and multiply this side. It will be always this side. Now you see which is bigger. 28, which side? This side? Yes. Take another one. 5 by 7, 2 by 9. Always multiply first this and substitute the value. 9 5 ja 45, 7 2 ja 40. Which is bigger? 45. That means this. Okay, we'll take another problem. So here we can compare using shortcut method. 11 into 5, 55. 6 into 9, 54. Which is bigger? 55. That means this is bigger. You can compare using the shortcut method. Okay, but in exam you need to show the step, and if there is a fill in the blanks or any box, then you can use this shortcut trick. Okay, next problem you can see, arrange the following fraction in descending order. So here I'm going to give you hint, you need to solve it by your own. So how are you going to solve this one? Here your target is that convert each of the fraction into like fraction. Okay, let's try to do one. Okay, and others you have to try. So we'll proceed for next problem. That is, here we have 1 by 2, 3 by 4, 5 by 6 and 7 by 8. We need to convert in ascending order. Okay, छोटा से बड़ा. We have 2 4 6 8. Take the LCM. 1 2 3 4. Take LCM equals to 2 into 2 into 3 into 2. 24 we are getting. Now our target in each case, we're going to convert each equivalent into each equivalent fraction where denominator is 24. So here you can see that 1 by 2 can be written as 1 by 2 into 12 by 12. This will give you 12 by 24. Next, 3 by 4 can be written as 3 by 4 into 6 by 6, where you can write 18 by 24. Next, 5 by 6. 5 by 6 can be written as 4 by 4. Here we are getting 20 by 24. Next, last one is 7 by 8. 7 by 8 can be converted into 7 by 8 into what? 3 by 3. Here you are getting 21 by 24. Now you arrange in ascending order. If this question will be given you arrange in ascending order, your target is smaller to bigger. So here you can see that which one is smaller. This 12 by 21 is smaller. Next is 18 by 24 is smaller. What? Next 20 by 24, and last one is greater is what? This is smaller to bigger. Now you write 12 by 24 is means what? 1 by 2. 18 by 24 is 3 by 4, and 20 by 24 is 5 by 6, and 21 by 24 is 7 by 8. This is in your ascending order. If the question would be asked you descending order, so what we're going to do, same method will apply till this. After that, bigger to smaller. That means you need to write this one 21 by 24, next 20 by 24, 18 by 24, and 12 by 24. and instead of this replace this one, that is 7 by 8, 5 by 6, 3 by 4 and 1 by 2. This way we can solve. Okay, thank you.